Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Duskyglams by Shah. If you're new here, click the subscribe button and join the glam family. Today I'm going to show you how to create this full matte makeup look with a brown smoky eye. So let's jump right into the video. First, I'm priming my face with the Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser, focusing it on my T-zone and bringing whatever left on my fingers to the rest of my face. I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in Warm Honey today. I'm dotting it all over my face. And then blending it with a beauty sponge by J Beauty. Next, I'm going in with my concealer. This is the Wet n Wild Photofocus concealer in medium Tawny. I'm applying it under my eye area, on the bridge of my nose, around my mouth and my forehead. And I'm blending it with the same beauty sponge I used for the foundation earlier. To set my whole face using the Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder in the shade 310. This is my bronzer by Wet n Wild in Your Dragon Me Down. Using an angle brush, I'm applying the bronzer on the hollows of my cheek, my jawline and around the forehead area. For blush, I'm using a peach matte pink shade from my Focallure face palette trio and applying it a little bit higher than I usually do for a more lifted look. Now I'm prepping the eye with the same concealer I used earlier and set it with the skin colored eyeshadow. I'm taking the light brown shade using a blending brush and use it as my transition shade. I'm building up the color slowly till I'm happy with the outcome. Now I'm taking the dark brown shade with a smaller blending brush and packing the color on my eyelid. I'm only applying this color on my lid area, not the crease area. And with the previous blending brush, I'm blending both the shade into one. small pencil brush, I'm taking the dark brown shade and smoking it out on the lower lash line. Next, I'm applying a black kohl pencil on my top lash line and smudge it with a brush. Applying the same black kohl on my waterline too. I'm curling my natural lashes and applying a pair of falsies from J Beauty in the style 043 and finishing off the look with the Perfect Mascara by Breena Beauty. First, using the Essence Lip Liner in Deeply Intoxicated and applying a nude lipstick on top of it. The lipstick I'm using is the Creamy Matte Lipstick by Maybelline in Nude Nuance. The finished look, guys. I hope you enjoy watching it. Like, share and comment down your suggestions on what look you want to see from me next. Click the subscribe and the bell button so that you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook for more mini tutorials and tips. Also check out the description box for product details that I've used in today's video and also links to my socials. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!